To get started, head over to the Flow website and click on Create with Flow. Before we dive in, let me quickly show you proof that this actually works. Here's a video I created using Flow. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to know so you can start creating your own portrait videos easily. The best part? I don't have to crop or adjust anything manually. I simply type in my prompt, send it, and Flow takes care of the rest. Once you click on Create with Flow, the next step is to select New Project. After that, scroll down to the prompt area. Click inside the box and paste in your prompt. Now, here's an important step. Look for VO3 Fast or click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find the Aspect Ratio option. From here, you can choose between Portrait or Landscape. For this tutorial, I'll select Portrait. Next, click on Model. This is the most important part. For Portrait Aspect Ratio, Flow supports both VO3 Fast and VO3 Quality. You can pick either one. I'll go with VO3 Fast for now. Once that's set, scroll down and click on Generate. Before we check the final result, here's something you need to know. Portrait mode is currently only available for text to video. It does not work yet for frames to video or image to video. Hopefully that feature will come in the future. Now let's look at the video result. Once it's ready, you can simply click on the download button to save your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know if you got value from it.